All right, Legends, kicking things off with some major financial news. Maven Income and Growth VCT3 just hit a brand new 12-month low, sending shockwaves through the market. We're diving deep into what this slump means and whether it's a sign of bigger things to come or a temporary dip for this venture capital trust. Next up, we're shifting gears to the world of impact investing and dividends. Octopus Future Generations VCT plc isn't just reporting its half-yearly performance, they've declared their asterisk first-ever dividend. We'll break down their net asset value, their successful business exit, and what this means for their commitment to investing in companies that tackle societal challenges. Now, buckle up for some electrifying esports action. NRG is proving their mettle on the international stage at VCT Champions 2025 in Paris. We've got the full breakdown of their intense showdown against EDRD Gaming, map by map, round by round. Can NRG overcome their past regional losses and claim the championship title? And finally, another dividend announcement to keep an eye on. Gresham House Income and Growth VCT plc has just declared its second interim dividend for the fiscal year. We'll tell you exactly when you can expect that payout and what it signifies for investors looking for steady returns. Stick with us, Legends, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Maven Income and Growth VCT3 plunges to new lows. Get ready, investors, because Maven Income and Growth VCT3, ticker MIG3, has just hit a significant 52-week low, trading down to GBX 33.4. This dramatic dip comes after a period of market volatility, leaving many wondering about the future prospects of this UK-focused venture capital trust. The company, which specializes in development capital and early-stage investments, aims for long-term capital appreciation. But this recent performance raises serious questions. With a market cap of £59.19 million and a PE ratio of nearly 29,000, the numbers paint a stark picture. While their recent earnings report showed GBX 0.23 earnings per share for the quarter and a net margin of 26.21%, the market's reaction has been decidedly negative. We'll explore what led to this new low and whether the firm's strategic focus on unquoted and AIM-quoted companies with growth potential can help it recover. Market watchers and the Legends Nexus community are buzzing about this sudden downturn. Analysts, while having a hold rating, are pointing towards other investment opportunities that might offer better short-term gains. The question on everyone's mind is this a buying opportunity or a warning sign? Don't go anywhere, because the market isn't done with its surprises. You'll want to see what's next after we break down this VCT news. Get ready for a completely different kind of performance update from Octopus Future Generations, VCT plc. Octopus Future Generations, VCT declares first dividend amidst market challenges. In a significant move, Octopus Future Generations, VCT plc, has announced its first-ever dividend, marking a major milestone despite a slight dip in its net asset value per share to 88.4p by June 30, 2025. This declaration comes on the heels of a successful business exit, demonstrating the company's ability to generate returns even in a challenging economic climate. The VCT, which focuses on investing in businesses that address key societal issues like healthcare, empowerment, and sustainability, also successfully raised £5 million and met its VCT qualification requirements. Managed by Octopus AIF Management Limited, the company's strategy remains focused on early-stage investments aligned with its long-term vision. The decision to declare a dividend signals confidence in their portfolio and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. This move could bolster investor interest in VCTs that prioritize both financial returns and positive social impact. The investment community is taking note, with a buy technical sentiment signal for OFG stock. This dividend declaration is being seen as a positive indicator for the VCT's future growth and its ability to navigate market uncertainties, especially its focus on impactful ventures. This financial news is just the beginning of our packed show today. Prepare for a massive shift as we dive into the intense world of competitive gaming and VCT Champions 2025. NRG dominates on international stage at VCT Champions 2025. NRG has officially arrived on the international VCT scene, proving their mettle with a commanding performance against NRG Gaming, EDG, at VCT Champions 2025 in Paris. This was a crucial match for both teams, with NRG seeking redemption after a tough loss in the VCT Americas Grand Finals and EDG looking to bounce back from their own regional disappointment. The opening map, EDG's Pick of Abyss, saw a dramatic turnaround. Despite EDG's strong start and a 10-2 lead in the first half, NRG mounted an incredible comeback, forcing overtime and ultimately clinching the map 17-15. Mata was instrumental in this victory, earning map MVP honors. NRG's momentum carried into the second map, Corrode, which was their pick. They secured a decisive 13-11 win, completing a clean sweep against EDG and sending them to the losers bracket. NRG's Scuba was crowned match MVP with an outstanding 47 kills, proving their dominance throughout the series. This victory not only solidifies NRG's position as a top contender, but also demonstrates their growth and readiness to compete at the highest level of Valorant esports. The esports world is watching as NRG continues their championship run. What an incredible display of skill and determination from NRG. But the financial world is also buzzing with its own updates, and we've got one more VCT report coming your way. Gresham House Income and Growth VCT declares second interim dividend. Investors seeking consistent returns have reason to celebrate as Gresham House Income and Growth VCT plc has announced its second interim dividend for the fiscal year ending September 30, 2025. Shareholders can expect a payout of 2.5 pence per ordinary share, with the dividend scheduled to be paid on October 30, 2025. This move underscores the company's commitment to delivering value and income to its stakeholders. The VCT, which operates within the financial services sector and focuses on venture capital trusts, provides investment opportunities and growth capital to small and medium-sized enterprises. This dividend declaration is particularly significant for those looking for income-generating assets within their investment portfolios. Shareholders are reminded to be on the register by October 3, 2025, and to amend their dividend investment scheme participation by October 16, 2025, if necessary. The announcement has been met with positive sentiment, reflected in a strong buy technical signal for GHV1 stock. This consistent dividend payout strategy enhances the VCT's appeal and reinforces its role in supporting business growth while rewarding its investors. And that wraps up our major news updates for today, Legends. But before you go, we've got a quick recap and a massive call to action that you absolutely cannot miss. All right, Legends, that's a wrap on today's epic rundown. We saw Maven Income and Growth VCT3 hit a new low, Octopus Future Generations VCT plc declare its very first dividend, NRG stormed to victory at VCT Champions 2025, and Gresham House Income and Growth VCT plc announce its second interim dividend. What a show! If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe to Legends Nexus for more breaking news and exclusive insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know. Let us know in the comments which story you found most shocking, and follow us on all our socials for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.